If employees clerk, select. If employees manager, select. That means in these two, if one is true, select. Then this query will return clerks and managers. If employees clerk, selected. If employees manager, selected. So then, no. So what is like, suppose here, if I give 3 values, then how many conditions you have to write? 3 conditions you have to write. 3 IDs, 3 conditions you have to write. So if I give 10 values, you have to write 10 conditions. But writing 10 conditions is difficult. So we can simplify this by using in operator. So when we use in, when equal to comparison with multiple. Usually equal to is used to compare with single, but when you want to compare with multiple, then use what? In operator. In brackets give the values, but this is not allowed. Okay, equal to cannot be used with multiple. Equal to is always used with what? Single. But if you have multiple values, then use what? In operator. So employee ID in 100, 103, 105. ID 100 is selected. Yes. ID 103 is selected. Yes. ID 105 is selected. Yes. Working as clerk manager. Job in clerk manager. Not working for department 1020. Then not in 1020. Okay. Working for 1020. In 10,20. Not working for 1020. Not in. Any condition you can make it negative by using what? Not operator. Okay, then. Now, suppose, let's see, for example, I want to see the employees earning, okay, earning more than 5,000 and less than 10,000. Okay, who are earning more than 5,000, less than 10,000. How? Select star from EMP where what? Salary should be greater than 5,000. Salary should be less than 10,000. Should be greater than 5,000, should be less than 10,000. Then tell me both must be true na or any one? Both. The salary must be greater than 5,000. Salary must be less than 10,000. Both must be true. Then use what? End operator. Use end. Okay. So greater than 5,000, less than 10,000. Next. Suppose here, then just go to the table. Okay, just go to the table. Select star from EMP. This is the table. It go to the first one. What is the salary? 4,000. Is it greater than 5,000? No, not selected. Because end means both must be true. Next. Suppose salary is 8,000. Greater than 5,000? Yes. Less than 10,000? Yes. Selected. 9,000. Selected. 6,000. Selected. 5,000. Not selected. 5,000 is equal to 5,000, but it's not greater than 5,000. So there are 3 employees satisfying this condition. This query will return 3. Okay. Then this will return 3. Understood? Now, but if I write like this, greater than, equal to, less than, equals to. What is the meaning? 5,000, 10,000 also included. Okay. If you write only greater than, 5,000, 10,000 is not included. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to means 5,000, 10,000 is also included. So this, see that 5,000 is also selected. Understood? Then. But how you write, it depends on question. is asking more than 5,000, less than 10,000, then you have to give greater than, less than. Suppose if you ask include 5,000, 10,000 also, then equal to, greater than, equal to, less than or equal to. How you write depends on the question. Here also, how many conditions you are writing? How many conditions you are writing? 2 conditions. Okay, 2 conditions. And instead of writing 2 conditions, we can simplify this by using one operator. What is that? Is between operator. See, I am introducing one by one operator. How to write where conditions by using different operators that you have to learn. Okay, then the most important in writing SQL queries, where condition is most important. In writing where condition, what is most important is operators are important. You have to be able to identify which operator should be used when. When we use in, when we use between. Okay, then when we use between operator. Use between operator for range comparison. Okay, na? Use between operator for range comparison. Now, tell me, what are the example for range? Range means like suppose 5,000 to 10,000. This is what? Range. This is range. Year 1990 or year 2022, 2022. What is this? Is range. Year 2022, 2022. So this is range. When comparison based on range, use between. Okay, then when we use in operator when comparison based on list. When comparison is based on list, use between for range comparison. Okay, 1 second. Suppose 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Tell me what is this is. This is called list. 10, 20, 30, 40. This is called list. Suppose 10 to 50. What is this is called? Range. That's all. Remember this. This is called list. This is called range. List means multiple values separated by comma. That is list. This is range 10 to 50. In this, how many values are included? How many values? 5. 5 values. But here how many values? Don't say 2. Okay, na? How many values are included? 10 is included, 11 is included, 12 is included, 13, 14, all the values up to 50 included. 49.99 is also included. Understood or not? Then, so that is called range. 10 to 15. Whatever the values are there between 10 and 50, all the values are included. So that's all. This is called list. This is called range. Now, how to use between? You have to use between like this, where column name between value 1 and value 2. This is the syntax. How to use between? You have to use between like this, where column name between value 1, value 2. Okay, then. So this is equivalent to what? This is equivalent to what? Greater than, see, column greater than or equals to value 1 and column less than or equals to what's that? Value 2. Sir, if you write like this, it is equivalent to this. Greater than or equal to value 1, less than or equals to value 2. Between means greater than or equal to value 1, less than or equals to value 2. Value 1, value 2 included or not included? Included. Okay. Now, suppose I want to see the employees. Okay. Then, sir, be clear. Like, once again, just see. Then, so for example, where just listen, where column equal to value 1 or column equal to value 2 or column equal to value 3. Instead of writing this, you can replace this by using what? In operator, where column in what? Value 1, value 2, value 3. Next one, where what? Column greater than or equals to value 1, column less than or equals to value 2. So this can be replaced with what? Where column between value 1, value 2. That's it. Understood? So instead of writing like this, you can write like this. Instead of writing like this, you can write like this. This is simple. Understood? Then. Okay. Now, so let's see some examples. Let's see some examples on between. Okay. Let's see some examples. Now, so I want to display employees earning between 5,000 and 10,000. I want to see the employees earning between 5,000 and 10,000. What? Then select what? Star. Select star from EMP. Select star from EMP. What? Where? Then select star from EMP. Where salary what? Between 5,000 and 10,000. Salary between. Just follow the syntax. Column name between value 1 and value 2. Salary between 5,000 and 10,000. So salary is 5,000. Selected or not selected? Salary is 5,000. Selected. Because what I said, it is equivalent to greater than or equals to. 5,000, 10,000 is included or not included? Included. So salary is 5,000. Selected. Salary 8,000. Selected. 9,000. Selected. 6,000. Selected. Salary 12,000. Not selected because 12,000 is greater than 5,000 but not less than. So 12,000 is not in this range. It is in the range, not in the range. Not in the range. So not selected. Okay. Then that's all. So this gives same output wise same. Then same output like previous. But only difference is we are using between operator. Understood? Then. Okay. Next. So then, for example, I'll ask employees what joined in 2020 year. Then 2020 anything. Employee joined in 2020 year. Then if he joins in 2020 means compulsory hire date is between 1st January to 31st December. 1st January to what? 31st December. Then how to write it? Select star from EMP where what? Hire date. Hire date is what? Between then 1st January. How to write it? 1st January. 01 Jan 2020 and 31st December 2020. That's all. Okay. Hide date between this range. So this is also range, January to December range. So use between. Okay, na? Next. Okay, now. Then. So this is, there is only one joined in what, 15th of Feb 2020. There is only one employee satisfying this condition. Okay, na? Then. Now, suppose I'll ask not joined in 2020. Not joined in 2020. Same thing, where what? Not between. Not between 2020. Not between 1st January to 31st December. Okay. Any condition you can make it negative by using not. Joined in 2020, between. Not joined in 2020, not between. That's all. Otherwise, you write only where condition, enough. Because selects are from EMP is what? Common. Selects are from EMP is common. Just write only where condition. Okay. No. So see that. What is showing? 23, 23, 21, 23, 19, 23. Other than 2020. Yes or no? Okay, na? Other than 2020. Okay, then. So, now. Sir, operators, not only operators, anything is not case sensitive. Is not what, sir? Case sensitive in Oracle. You can type it in uppercase or lowercase. But there is a standard. Okay, na? There is a what, sir? Standard. You can write like this. You can write the query like this. 1 second. Select star from EMP where salary between 5,000 and 10,000. You can write. This will work, it will not work. It will work. Oracle is not case sensitive. You can write it in uppercase or lowercase. The query will work. Okay, then. Now. But once again, if you write like this, it gives the output. But what like in real-time standards, what they say, boss, you are not following the coding standards. Okay, na? They say you are not following the coding standard. What are the coding standards? The coding standard is reserved words should be uppercase. Okay, na? Reserved words. Keyword should be uppercase. Remaining should be lowercase. Keyword should be uppercase. Remaining should be lowercase. Now tell me, select is keyword. Select is keyword. Yes, it is a keyword. Uppercase. From is a keyword. Yes, uppercase. EMP is keyword. No, it's not keyword. It's a table name. It is user-defined word, predefined word. User-defined. EMP is user-defined. User-defined should be lowercase. Predefined should be uppercase. Where is one? Keyword. Predefined. Next, where? Salary is what? User defined.
Defined.
So salary, lowercase. Between, keyword, uppercase. End, keyword, uppercase. That's only, just remember this standard. What that is? Keywords, predefined keywords should be uppercase. User defined word should be lowercase. EMP is user defined because this table is created by user. Salary is also user defined. It's not predefined. Okay, na? That's you just remember this standard. Throughout this, okay, na? Then that's why you observe this right from the WhatsApp first query. I'm writing like this. Okay, then plus now, and one more thing. So like separate line. Okay, na? Use separate line for each class. For each class, write that in separate line. Select is a class. Write this in one line. From is another class. So write this in separate line. Where is another class? That write it in what? Separate line. Like this. Select start from where? Each class should be in separate line. Select is a class. Separate line. From is another class. Separate line. Where is another class? Separate line. That is the standard you have to follow. Understood? Then. Now. Okay. So then. One question asked like this. What is that is? They given a query. Select star from EMP where salary between 10,000 and 5,000. They given the query like this. Okay. Select star from EMP where salary between 10,000 and 5,000. Understood? Then. So what? A. What is that is? Error. B. Suppose returns rows satisfy the condition and returns what's that? No rows. D. What's that? None. What is the answer? Select start from EMP where salary between 10,000 and 5,000. Returns rows. Which rows? Salary between 10,000 and 5,000. Yes? Okay, na? Then run this query. Let's run this. So, sir, maximum like an interviews written test, questions will be like this. Okay? Then suppose I'm giving like this. No rows selected. Answer is what? C. Returns no rows. Why? First of all, it will not give the error. Why? See, when it gives the error, when syntactically wrong, then it gives the error. When syntactically right, then it will not give the error. What is the syntax of where class? See that. Where between. What is the where column name between value 1 and value 2. Syntactically right. Yes. Then it will not give the error. Logically wrong. Syntactically right, but logically wrong. That's why what it is gives no rows. What is the logically wrong means? Once again, I'll write like this. Where salary between 5,000 and 10,000. I'll write like this. If I write like this, background, it's converted like this. What is that is? Where what's that? Salary greater than or equal to 5,000. Salary less than or equals to 10,000. So it gives 5,000 above, 10,000 below. Yes. Now you written like this. Salary between what? 10,000 and 5,000. You given like this. If you give like this, then what? Background it's converted. Salary greater than or equals to 10,000. Salary less than or equals to 5,000. Background it's converted. If you write like this, background it's converted like this. If you write like this, background it's converted like this. What is the meaning? Greater than 10,000, less than 5,000. Tell me, any value satisfy this? Any salary satisfy this? Salary greater than 10,000, less than 5,000 bars. Any value satisfy this condition? No. Because if it is greater than 10,000, it cannot be less than 5,000. If it is less than 5,000, it cannot be greater than 10,000. So no salary satisfy this condition. That is the reason output is what, sir?
No report selected.
Sir, understood now? Okay, now? Then if you write like this, then it becomes background, it's converted like this. Salary greater than 10,000, less than 5,000. But if it is greater than 10,000, it cannot be less than 5,000. If it is less than 5,000, it cannot be greater than 10,000. That's all. So that is the reason. Answer is what? Answer is no rows. Okay, then. So questions will be something like they don't be straightforward. If the question is straightforward, everyone can answer. That's why they do some twist something. They twist the query. Okay.
सर क्लास शुरू की
Okay, na? Okay. Oh. Now, so you know two special operators. One is in, one is between. Okay. Then. Now. Then. Suppose like what? For example, then I'll ask like this. Employees working as what? Clerk, comma, manager, and earning between 5,000 and 10,000 and joined in 2023 year and not working for department 10, 20. So working as clerk manager, earning between 5,000 and 10,000, joined in 2023 year, not working for department 10, 20. So we have multiple conditions. One is based on job, one is based on salary, one is based on idea, one is based on department. Then oh. Then how to write? How to write? Select what? Start. Select start from EMP. Next, where select start from EMP. First one, clerk manager. How to write this? Job. See, just now I said
EMP, where
clerk, comma, manager. Multiple jobs, not single job. Multiple. Then in operator. Job in. Clerk, comma, manager. Clerk, comma, manager. Bracket. Next one. And end. One more condition. Employee, he must be clerk manager and his salary must be 5,000 and 10,000. Then how to write this? Salary between 5,000 and 10,000. Next one. And joined in 2023. Hide date. You know that. Joined in 2023. Hide date between 01st Jan 23 and 31st December 23. Next one. And not working for department 1020. DNO. In table there is a field called DNO. DNO is there. Department number. Then not between. This is not range. 10, 20 is not range. 10, 20 is list. Then in. Not in. 10, 20. That's it. So, okay, this is semicolon. Okay. Like this, you can write 20 conditions also. Like you can write 100 conditions also. There is no limit.
Need to run, sir.
No. Okay. So which is selected from the table? The one which satisfies what? All the four. If that satisfies all four conditions, that is selected. Yes or no? Then. So it goes to the table. Then. This is the table. Select star from EMP. It go to the first one. What is the job? Clear. First condition true. Yes. What is the salary? 4,000. Second condition true. False. But if one is false, the total returns false because they are all combined with what? N. If one condition is false, the total expression returns false, not selected. Go to the next one. What is the job? Manager. First condition, true. Salary, 8,000. Second condition also true. Joined in what's that? 23. Then condition true. But what is the department? 20. Department is 20. False, not selected. Yes. Yes or no? Not selected. Next one. Go to the next one. Analyst. False. Manager. True. This is true. This is false. Like no. I think no record is there in the table. No record is there in the table. Yes. Then what is the output? No rows. It's not giving. It's giving no rows means don't think that your query is wrong. Your query is correct, but in table there is no record in the table satisfying this condition. Okay, na? Then suppose if I give department 10 or 30, just 1 second, just for testing 10 or 30, then there is a record. So there are 2 employees what working for 20 department and working as clerk manager, salary between 5,000 and 10,000, joined in 23 and not working for department 10, 30. Understood? 20. Sir, okay now? Then, but here I given 10, 20, here 10, 20. Okay? No. Like that. Like that you can write multiple conditions. Okay now? Then. Now you tell me this. For example, there is a table, products table. There is a table, products table. Product ID, product name, product price, okay, product category, product brand. Table is there. Assume that there is a table. The table contains this. You take Amazon. Amazon stores products. So that's storing every product is having ID, name, price, category, brand. What I'm asking is display, okay, like display what? Samsung, Redmi, Realme, what's that? Mobile phones, price between 10,000 and what's it? 20,000. Then tell me how to write. That's all. Here, this is what, like, some requirement is there. You have to write a query for that. Select star from products. What? Where once again. First, read it. After reading, you have to link these two. You have to associate these two, the fields. You have to associate these two fields in the table. What is Samsung, Redmi, Realme? Brand. Okay, na? It's not product name. Samsung is not product name. Samsung is what? Brand. Then how to write this? Brand in. Because I given one brand, 3 brands. 3 brands. Then you have to use what? In operator. Samsung. Next one, Redmi. Next one, Realme. Okay. Next one. End what? Price, huh?
And price.
Price. Okay. Price what? Price between 10,000 and what? 20,000. That's all. And here, Samsung not only sells Samsung, Redmi, Realme, they not only sell the mobile phones, they also sell the TVs. So then this will also select the TVs. Samsung, Redmi, Realme TV is there. That costs around 15,000. That is also selected. But he is not asking TVS. He is asking only mobile phones. Then what is mobile phones? Category, product category. Yes. Then you have to write one more condition. What that is? And what? Category. Category equals to
Mobile phone.
mobiles. Mobiles are mobile phones, whatever. Okay, na? Then. So that's all. What is this query will return? Only the Samsung, Redmi, Realme mobile phones, that too price between 10,000 and what's that? 20,000. That's all. Got it? Then. So what is the difference between year and real-time project? What the difference is? Here we are writing queries on EMP table, maybe product table, like that. But if you go to real-time projects, maybe you don't write queries on EMP table. You write queries on EMP table? No. It depends on what project. If project is banking project, then you write queries on banking tables. If project is what? Sales project. You write queries on sales related tables. But tables may be different, columns may be different, but conditions what's the same. There also you use in operator. There also you use between operator. There you don't find any other than the operators which are not discussed in the class. You'll find only these operators. Whatever operators we discussed, the same operators. But tables may be different, columns may be different. Category? Yes, you can write any order. You can write any order. So, if you write like this, which condition is applied first? Oracle will apply the conditions now. It will apply one by one condition. Which condition is applied first? Which condition is applied first? Brand? No. Product. I'm asking about conditions. Which condition is applied first?
First flag
Brand. Next, price. Next, category. No. Okay, na? Sir, remember in where clause, okay, you write in where clause, condition 1, next to end condition 2, either end or condition 2, next one, end condition 3. You write like this, yes? Then, if you write like this, here, the conditions are applied from bottom to top.
Oh.
This is how the conditions are applied. Bottom to top, not top to bottom. Where conditions are applied, what's that? Bottom to top. Here, tell me, which condition is applied first?
Mobile first.
Category mobiles. Next one, price.
Between
Next
price.
one, brand. So where conditions are applied bottom to top, not top to bottom. First Oracle will apply, okay, then category. Next it will apply price. Next it will check brand. Understood? Then. Okay, na? First it checks what? Category. Next it checks what? Price. Next it checks what? Brand. So conditions are executed from bottom to top, not top to bottom.
Bottom.
Okay, na? Then. You want to check? You want to check? You can check. You want to check? You can check. How? 1 second. See, here, select what? Star from EMP, where x equal to 10, next and y equals to 20. X equal to 10, y equal to 20. But x and y are valid or not valid? Sir, in EMP table, x, y are there or not there? Not there. Then it gives what? Error. It gives error. If Oracle says y equal to 20 is wrong, then conditions are applied. If Oracle says y equal to 20 is wrong, then conditions are applied from bottom to top. If Oracle says x equal to 10 is wrong, then conditions are applied top to bottom. You see the error, according to that you can find out how the conditions are executed. Understood? Now let's see, run this query.
Why invalid?
Why it is saying y is invalid identifier? Y is invalid because y is not there in the EMP table. Y is invalid. That means which condition is applied first? Y equal to 20. Y equal to 20 is applied first. Y is not there. That's why it is giving error. That's all. Understood? Then. Okay. But sir, only when we use in, when we use between, only if it is based on list, in. If it is based on range, between. But don't think that for all conditions we can use between, in. Not like that. Only list, in, range, between. Okay, na? Sometimes you have to use greater than, less than only. Okay, na? Like suppose, for example, there is a, what, 1 second. There is a table. What the table is? Student table. Student number, student name. Next one, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, marks. Student is 1, student name is A, subject 1, 80, 90, 70. And student 2, suppose B, for example, 30, 60, 50. 30, 60, what's that? 50. So student is that. Like what they're asking is list of students. I want to see the list of students who are passed. Who are passed. Student table is given to you. They wanted a list of students who are passed. Okay. When the student result is pass, if we get pass marks in all the subjects or any one subject, all the subject. If we get pass marks in all the subject, his result is pass. He should get pass mark in subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. Then only his result is pass. Then tell me how to write it. Select what? Star from student. Then where? What? He should get pass mark in subject 1, pass mark in subject 2, pass mark in subject 3. Then S1 greater than or equals to 35. Next. Okay. S2. Okay. First we write S2 greater than 35. S3 greater than or equals to 35. Then tell me all the 3 conditions should be true now. Any one condition now. All the 3. What is end? End. End. Select star from student where S1 greater than or equal to 35, S2 greater than or equal to 35, S3 greater than or equals to 35. So if all the conditions are true, then so pass. Let it go to the first one. S1 greater than 35. Yes. S2. Yes. S3. Yes. So this is selected or not? Yes. It go to the second one. S1 greater than 35. No. Condition false.
Okay.
Selected or not selected?
Not selected.
Not selected. Okay. Next one. So suppose list of students who are failed. List of students who are failed.
Selected.
When the student is said to be failed, if he is failed in any one subject or all the subjects, any one subject. If he is failed in any one subject, his result is also failed. Then how to write? Select star from student where what?
S1.
If he is failed in subject 1, otherwise if he is failed in subject 2, otherwise he is failed in subject 3, then his result is failed. Then S1 less than 35, S2 less than 35, and S3 less than 35. So then all the 3 must be true now. Anyone is true. Anyone. If any condition is true, his result is what? Fail. Then or. So we must use or operator. So this is the best example when we use and when we use or.
हाँ हेलो हाँ हाँ देखा लिए कर दो अभी अभी फ्री ना लिए थे ना कर ले अभी कर दो अभी तुरंत हाँ तोड़ डाल दियो है हाँ तोड़ डाल दियो अब रिजेक्ट ना दिखाओगे खोल के देखने काल डाल
हाँ,
दियो ठीक है अभी दिखाइए कुछ देर
हाँ. Anyone?
कुछ देर में दिखाइए फिर बताइए
हाँ. Then, no.
दिखाइए
This gives any one subject. Or no, any one subject. If he spelled in S1, selected. If he spelled in S2, selected.
ठीक हाँ
So you want to check for all the subjects, then end. You want to find the students who are failed in all the subjects, then end.
अभी कुछ देर में
Okay. Can I? No. So suppose, oh. Okay. So I want to test it. I want to test this. Okay. Then. So student table is not there. Then what? First create table. You want to test it. Okay. First testing. Then first create the table. Insert 1 or 2 rows. Then test it. Okay. Then you know how to create the table? Yes. What? What? Create table. What is the table? Student table. Then one field is student number. That is number 2, number 3. Next one student name. Where cat 2 10. Next one subject 1. Subject 1 is what? Number 3, no? Subject 2 what? Number 3. And subject 3 number 3. Number 3. So table is what? Sorry. Okay. Then so here it's not S1, it is what? S2. Okay. Save and exit. Then okay. So table is what? Created. Table is created. I created one table with number, name, S1, S2, S3. Okay. Insert 2 rows. How to insert? Insert into student values. Student 1. Name is A. Next one 80, 90, 70. Then insert into this one row. Created. Next one. Student what? 2. Name is B. Next, this is 30. Suppose 60. One row created. I inserted 2 rows. This is 1 row. This is 1 row. 2 rows. Now see the table. Select star from student table. So the table is created with 2 rows. From this table, you want to find the list of students who are passed. Then run this query. So this query gives list of students who are passed. Then, so there is one student passed, student 1. He got pass marks in all the 3 subjects. Now, I want to find out list of students who are what, sir? Failed, who are failed. Okay, then who are failed. List of students who are failed. Okay, na? Then failed means if he is failed in any one subject. I want to find out. So let's say, suppose who are failed in subject 1. Then I want to find out who are failed in subject 1. Then S1 less than 35. Who are failed in all the 3 subjects. Then who are failed in all the 3 subjects. S1 less than 35 and S2 less than 35 and S3 less than 35. Okay, then understood. Who are failed in subject 1 and subject 2, passed in subject 3. Who are failed in subject 1 and subject 2 and passed in subject 3. Then S1 less than 35 and S2 less than 35 or S3 greater than 35. Failed in subject 1, subject 2, but passed in subject 3. Understood? Then. Okay, na? Then. That's all. This is what, like, how to use N, how to use R, how to use between, how to use in. You learn 2 special operators. One is in, one is between. Plus you learn how to write conditions by using N and R. Next, one more is there. What is that is called? Sorry. Between is, one more is there. What is that is?
Like operator.
Like operator. Okay, na? Like operator. Like operator. What is the like operator? Okay, when we use like operator, use like operator for pattern comparison. Use like operator for pattern comparison. See that. In operator for list comparison. Between is for range. Like is for pattern. Use like operator for pattern comparison. Like, so here what you don't know is what is this pattern is. Pattern. What is pattern? Okay, na? Then now you know list, you know range, but what is pattern? So suppose, for example, sometimes name, you take name. Full name is not given. Full name is not given. What is given? Name starts with S. Name ends with R. Name contains A. Second character B. What are these? They are called what, sir? Pattern. Starts with S, ends with R, contains A, second character K. So all these are what? Patterns. So when pattern is given, use like operator. Name is not given. What is given?
Pattern.
Pattern. Name is given. Suppose name is what? Sachin. Name Sachin. Then you don't need like. You can use what? E-name equal to what? Sachin. You can write E-name equal to Sachin. You don't need to use like operator because name is given. If you know the full string, you can use equal. But you don't know the full string. You know pattern. Then use like. Okay. Then examples what? What are the examples for patterns? Pattern examples. Okay. Name what? Name starts with what? Yes. Name starts with S. Name starts with S. Okay, na? Next one. Next one. Email ID ends with what, sir? .com. Email ID ends with .com. Understood? Then, like there are what examples for pattern starting with S, ending with .com, contains a. Okay, then. So if pattern is given, use like, then how to use this, like where column name like what, column name like what's that pattern, where column name like pattern. Where column name like pattern. Okay, then. So now, but what is pattern consists of? The pattern consists of what? The pattern contains, okay, pattern contains what? What pattern contains? Alphabets, digits, okay, special characters, and wildcard characters. What is pattern contains? Alphabets, digits, special characters, star, $, next wildcard characters. You know these three. You know alphabets, digits, special characters. What you don't know? You don't know this what? Wildcard characters. Yes or no? You know these three, but you don't know wildcard characters. There are two wildcard characters. There are two wildcard characters. Okay, then there are two wildcard characters. One is what? Percentage. Another one underscore. One is percentage. Another one underscore. There are two wildcard characters, percentage and underscore. So percentage is for what? Okay. So here in this pattern, we can use alphabets, we can use digits, we can use special characters, we can use wildcard characters too, percentage underscore. When we use percentage is for 0 or many characters. 0 or many characters, use percentage. Underscore is for exactly one character. If it is exactly one character, use underscore. 0 or many characters, use percentage. Okay, then let's take some example. Okay, let's take some examples. So then I'll ask, for example, employee's name starts with S. I want to find out the employee's name starts with S. Find the employees whose name starts with S. Then how to write this one? Select what? Start from EMP, where what? E-name, then E-name. Sir, what is given? Name is given, pattern is given. Pattern is given. Then you cannot use equal. If name is given, you can use equal. Name is Sachin. Then you can say E-name equal to Sachin. But name is not given. Only pattern is given, starting with S. So S is the first character. Then which operator? Like, then first character is S. Starts with S. First character is S. And I don't know remaining characters. I know first character S. I don't know remaining characters. And the remaining characters can be how many? Sir, S is the first character, boss. We don't know remaining characters. And the remaining characters can be how many? We don't know. Maybe 0 or maybe many. Then when you don't know how many characters after S, then use what? Percentage. When you know the characters, then use underscore. When you don't know how many characters, then use percentage. When you know the number of characters, use underscore. After S, I don't know how many characters, then use what? Percentage. S percentage. What this query gives? This query gives all the employees whose name starts with S. Okay. Then, like so, then it goes to the table. Select what star from EMP. So it go to the first one, table. It go to the first row. Is this name Sachin is matching to this pattern? Sir, yes or no? So let's go to this query. Then, so is Sachin is matching to this pattern? Yes. Arvind is matching? No. Rahul is matching? No. Sindhu is matching? Yes. Vijay? No. Vinod? No. Kumar? Yes. No. So then, how many are there? 2. There are 2 names matching to this pattern. Understood? Then. Okay? Then. Now, so name is Sachin. Selected or not? Yes. Name is Sindhu. Selected or not? Yes. Name is S. His name is S. Selected or not selected? Name is S. Selected. Because percentage means what? 0 or many. It is equal to 0 characters. It is equal to many characters. Is tell me S is matching to this pattern? Yes. Okay. Then S also matching to this pattern. Next, I want to display employee's name ends with D. Ends with D. Name ends with D. Then what? Select what star from EMP where E name what? Like E name like ends with D. Percentage what sir? D. Percentage D. Okay. Select star from EMP, E name like percentage D. Ends with D. Then now, so let's see this one. Then, so there are 2 names, Arvind and Vinod. So these 2 names ends with what? D. Okay. Then, so some characters exist before D. I don't know how many characters. Percentage. Okay. Then, so I'll ask name contains A. Then name contains A. A can be anywhere. A can be first, A can be last, A can be in the middle. I don't know. Then what is select what star from EMP where E name what? Like E name like what's it? Percentage what? A percentage. Some characters exist before A. Some characters exist what? After A. Okay, now A can be anywhere. Some characters exist before A. Some characters exist after A. Now, so tell me, suppose there is a name Sachin. Sachin is there. Sachin is selected or not selected? Selected. Sachin is selected. Arvind is there. Arvind. Selected or not? Percentage means what? Percentage means zero or many. It is equal to 0 characters. It is equal to many characters. Tell me, Arvind is matching to this pattern? Yes. Arvind is matching or not? Yes. Okay, then. So it returns all the names contains what, sir? A. Then, now let's see. So all these names contains what, sir? A. But here we know this is not selected. Sindhu is not selected because these two names doesn't contain what? A. Okay, then. Next. So then, but here this gives be anywhere. A can be first, A can be last, A can be in the middle. Yes or no? Understood? Then. So suppose like question is where A is the what, sir? Where A is the fourth character in their name. A is the fourth character. The previous one, there is no specific position of A. A can be anywhere. But here, I want A to be at fourth position. If A is at fourth position, select. Oh. If A is at fourth position, then select. Then what? Select what's that? Star from EMP, where E name like what? A is at fourth position means how many characters exist before A? 3 characters. A is at fourth position means how many characters exist before A? 3 characters. How to replace the 3 characters? 3 underscores. 1, 2, 3. 3 underscores. After A, how many? After A, how many? We don't know. Then what? Percentage. Okay, na? Select star from EMP where E name like this. Then. Okay. Okay. Okay then. Then. So, like tell me, this one, this is selected? No. This one? No. This one? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. This one? No. This one? Yes. So there are 2 names. There are 2 names where A is at what's that? Fourth position. A is at fourth position. So the 2 are selected. Vijay Kumar. Okay, na? Then. Now. Suppose I'll ask what, for example, okay, I'll ask something like this, where A is the fourth character, A is the fourth character from last. A is the fourth character from last. A is the fourth character from last. From last. If A is at fourth position from last means after A, how many characters? 3 characters. How to replace that 3 characters? 3 underscores. 1, 2, 3. 3 underscores. And before A, how many? We don't know. Before A, we don't know. Then percentage. Percentage A, 3 underscores. So A is at fourth character from last. Okay, na? And then so this gives what this query gives. Query gives what, sir? All the names what A is at what, sir? 4. See that Rahul A is at 4th or not? Yes. Last, starting from last 1, 2, 3 A. A is at 4th. Yes. Last, not from the beginning, from the last. Okay. Name contains 4 characters. Name contains 5 characters. Then name contains 5 characters. 5 underscores. Name contains 5 characters means 5 underscore. Each underscore is equal to 1 character. Okay. Then understood? Then so you can use anything, like we can use any. Okay, na? Then starting with A, ending with A, contains A. A is at 4th position. Okay. Then clear now. But this is not only to what? Okay, na? And not only to, this is like, for example, name contains what? Name contains A or S. Then if name contains A, select. Name contains S, select. Name must contain either A or S. Then select what? Star. Select star. Star from EMP, where what? E name like percentage A percentage. Next one. Name contains A or S. If contains A, select. Contains S, select. Then or then E name what? Like what's it? Percentage. Yes, percentage. So if it contains A, selected. If contains S, selected. If I use end means, the name should contain both characters. Name should contain S and name should contain A. Then okay, na? Then either S or A. If any of these 2 characters, if we have any of this character exists in name, selected. So there is a name Sachin. Sachin is selected. There is a name Sachin. Selected or not? Yes. There is a name selected. Rahul is selected. Yes or no? Rahul. A is there, na? Yes. Okay. Next. Next one, there is a name Sindhu. Selected because S is there, na? Sindhu contains S. So if this, any of this character, if name contains either A or S, then all these names, we know no, because it doesn't contain S, doesn't contain A. Okay. If I use end here, then it should contain what's that? Both characters. If it contains both characters, then only selected. I think Sachin is matching. Yes. Sachin is matching. That's all. Only one. Sachin. Only Sachin. Sachin contains both S and A. That's all. Understood? Then. First 3 characters. First. In first 3 positions, if A is there, then select. In first 3 characters. Okay, na? Then you have to write 3 conditions. A percentage or underscore A percentage or underscore A percentage. How many conditions you have to write? 3. Name A percentage, that is 1. Or underscore A percentage, that is 2nd. Or underscore A percentage. A is at 3rd position. Okay, na? Then. So then, but we can also apply this to what? We can apply this to dates also. Not only to characters. You can apply this to what? Dates. We can apply this to what? numbers. Okay, employees earning 5-digit salary. I want to find out what's that. Employees earning what? 5-digit salary. Then who are earning 5-digit salary? Select star from EMP, where salary what? Like salary, like 5 digits. Each digit means 1 underscore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 underscores. So each underscore is equal to 1 digit. Then pattern should be given, but no one is there in the table because all are ending what's 4 digits. Okay, na? Then clear? Just we'll write one more. Then now. So, for example, I want to see the employees joined in. Okay, then I want to see the employees joined in what's it? Joined in April month. April month. I want to see the employees joined in April month. What is given to you? Month is given. Month is given. Yes. Okay, now what you don't know? We don't know year, we don't know date. We know only the month. So April month. Who are joined in April month? But tell me, what is the date format? DDMONYY. Now, so then month equal to what's that? April. What you don't know? I don't know this day part. I don't know this year part. How many characters are there before month? 3. Hyphen is there, na? Total how many characters are there? 3. After month how many? 3. Then you have to write like this. What is? Select star from EMP, where hide date what? Like then? Otherwise you can give percentage April percentage also. Percentage April percentage. Month contains, hide date contains April. April percentage. Hide date like percentage April percentage. If hide date contains April. If hide date contains April means employee joined in April month. Yes or no? If he joins in April month, compulsory hide date contains what? APR. Yes or no? See that. Is month contains what? APR. That means he joined in April month. Yes or no? Then, so if hide date contains APR, then he joined in April month. That's all. So wherever you want, you can use. Then, so there is one employee joined in what's that? April month. Okay. So this is some examples of using what's that? Like operator. Okay. Then, okay. So we'll continue this on Monday. Monday. Next class is on Monday. Okay. No. Monday interview unda. My mail ID is this. You send a mail ID. Today I'll send some like questions. As every day adi custom boss. Okay na? Wait. బస్ ఇక్కడ ఫోల్డర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. ఓకేనా? ఫోల్డర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. ఫోల్డర్ దెన్ సో వేర్ ఈస్ దిస్? This file is there in what? Desktop. What is the desktop folder? See users desktop Oracle 21C. Then Oracle. Okay. Then so you change this to Oracle. Change this to Oracle. Rename. The folder name is problem. And so it's already there in your system. Okay, it's not there. Now you install. Install. Huh? చేస్తాను అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. ఈమెయిల్ కాదు, గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో ఇన్స్టలేషన్ లేదు. ఓకే, పెడతా. బస్ నువ్వు ఆల్రెడీ చేసావా? మరి ఈ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ వేరియబుల్స్ కి వెళ్ళేసి డిలీట్ చేయాలి. వేరియబుల్స్ లో ఇవి ఉన్నాయి, ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ వేరియబుల్స్ నువ్వు ఆల్రెడీ చేసేవట్టుందిగా. ऑलरेडी आप इंस्टॉल करें पहले. हाँ, एनवायरनमेंट वेरिएबल्स है, ओके, वो डिलीट करना है. हाँ 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 हाँ, ओके ना, लाइक फिर इंस्टॉल करो. ओके ना, गो टू गूगल, टाइप how to uninstall Oracle 21C. They give the steps, follow the steps. Huh? Mahesh, Mukesh already uploaded that. No, that videos are there, demo classes videos are there, notes is also there in the Google Classroom. For Google Classroom link, you please contact admin. Okay. Once again. See, once again, before executing this, create user, execute this command. First execute this command, then create the user. Okay, na? You take the pick. First execute this command, then next execute create user. Then it will work.
Which command?
This one, alter session is there now.
Alter
Session, this one.
first command.
ఈ కమాండ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయి.
ఈ కమాండ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసిన తర్వాత
యూజర్ ని క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది. Yes, you have to play. Select S. Okay, select S. Ah. What is sequence, boss? What is sequence? Oh. See, bus. Actually, then once again, then close. Where is the file? This setup file. Oh, boss, here, go this one. Why you are starting? Just go.